my retarded dog. Angel. Stay. Angel, no. Stay. Sit. Lay down. Yes, she knows to do. Cause she's a good dog. Now she's gonna bite her butt. Angel. What you doing, girl? What you doing? Look at this dog. Look at this dog. He's like, what was that? What was that? What was that? What's going on? Leisure time. Okay. And that was Angel.